You're dead. Thank you, sir. Ah, my fucking face.
Medic!
Fucking gun safety bit. Okay.
Just run!
Come in! At this point in time, we changed teams to the blue team for 2 sick cats.
Right, Blues,
The fact you think that's me is honestly insulting.
Right. Bam.
Greetings operators and welcome back to Stingray Airsoft. Welcome back to the WA guys. I know it's been a very long while since my last upload. Unfortunately, I'm currently set up with another project at the moment that's keeping me from uploading regular gameplay videos, but don't worry, you'll be able to see that project in the coming few days. And in the meantime, I gave Josh my camera. So he had my camera, I told him to go off and do whatever he wants with it, and we can have a little look at it afterwards and see what he got up to. I have to say guys, this guy is absolutely hilarious. We've been good friends for a little while now, and it's really cool to see another person's perspective when playing the game, especially one with a unique approach to certain situations, namely a lot of grenades. So yeah, it's going to be a fun trip for both of us. So guys and girls, without further ado, please enjoy the rest of this video.
How many will 30 pounds get me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thanks, sir.
The game mode is Sounds of Pain. Get to the box, hold the button down on your team color for as long as possible. The team with the most amount of time on the clock wins.
Ah, hit! Ah! Fuck, I'm hit!
Let him up!
That's painful, man. God damn.
It's Sounds of Pain, yeah!
Eh.
The reason why it's called that, yeah.
Am I good? So we're going to go around the back of Chapel. And we're going to bang them. Could have worded that better, to be fair, but you know.
It's different. We've got Yasin covering down the thing.
He's just moved to the behind the green bit.
We've got good cover from here. You should be able to see. So we'll move with you. We've got good cover here on the left.
I think it's a chapel because then we own tower, chapel, and ship.
Okay.
Cowshed. This one's okay.
Right. You coming?
Yeah, I can't go first.
Right. You're going with me,
I'm
yeah?
coming with you. I'm coming with you.
Cover.
Yeah, left side, left side, left side, left side. We're good. I want to clear out chapel. I need to clear out chapel. So that's that.
Blue smoke! We're going to use the smoke.
Oh, that's brilliant.
When you're ready.
Mate, I'm being ready.
Another one.
You good? 3, 2, 1. Guys, chapel! Yellow's in chapel! Watch out, I don't know who's behind there. I don't know. Yellow's in chapel!
Yellow! In chapel! Come
Right,
on!
duck down, see if there's any feet.
Up!
You dead!
There! Cover! I'm going for it. What's so funny? In this episode, we're getting fucked. Oh shit, I'm moving. That's it.
Blues in the clearing!
Guys, get our tower! Get up in the barricade! Hit!
That's it! Come on, Blues!
Come in! Try and get that medic. Yeah, go. When I die, get ready to take over. There you go. Yeah. Dead man. We've held it for about 3 minutes, continually yellow. How long have we recorded? 11 minutes. Fucking, we've had it for like 10. Oh, I'm on about 3. Right, bam. God, I even impressed myself with my genius. Lads, Darkwoods, keep an eye on. What do you think?
Drop down the left!
I think I want to see what happens when you do use those.
Okay, I think we've got a good few with that green smoke. 2 or 3 maybe. Through the bang, didn't hear a kill, but we got one more. There's a, what was it, left side bush. I reckon it was John, the little rat. Hello, Bert.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. At this point in time, we changed teams to the blue team because we're too sick.
Right, Blues,
The
want to
fact
stand
you
for
think that's
outpost?
me is honestly insulting.
Dave, do you want me up there?
I know you haven't hit that far in puberty yet. End of the day now, we had some excellent gameplay. Shot your host in the arse. It was a painful day, but it was a lot of fun. We'll see you next time.